Hey, Cody, I can't believe that the owners of this building spent over $1 million in making the improvements. What do you think makes this building special?
Man, I mean, it shows that they spent money. There's new stucco, new drought-resistant landscaping, all new exterior doors, new lights. I mean, they did not leave anything alone. Basically, it was all the way down to the studs.
Yeah, I mean, I love the property. I love the exterior, but man, even the interior, it's that much better. I love when an investor installs washer dryer. Tenants love this. Tenants will pay more when they do this, and they'll stay longer.
I agree, yeah. And they even did little things like they pre-wired for internet, which nobody does that. But you hear owners all the time complaining about wires, satellite dishes, everything else on the exterior of the building. So that's one thing that they did that's going to keep it nice and clean.
You know, when I walk in here, and listen, Cody, you and I, we walk into a lot of buildings, a lot of fix and flips, and what I see here is just an amazing job. They clearly hired a designer who gave them all the right touches, all the right keys. This allows the owners to probably rent it for much more than what the market gives us. What type of tenant do you think would be interested in this place?
I think this is for someone who wants a really luxurious unit, but they don't want to pay the prices for new construction in downtown. So, this is in Alamitos Beach. It's a little bit quieter than downtown. You get that historical feel. So this is a really unique property.
Yeah, when we're going to market this property as turnkey, fully stabilized, what does that mean to an investor?
That means everything's done. So your plumbing, your electrical, your roof, all of your cosmetic work has been done already. So you can just buy this, rent it out, and it's something easy that you can hold on to for a while.
Well, then if that's the case, we should have no problem selling this.
Sounds good.